In this video, I'll be talking about why Python is so popular. Python now is like the most famous programming language all over the planet. Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular language, not just among software engineers but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, network engineers, and lot of other domains. 21st century is the age of AI and big data. The use of AI and big data are growing at an exponential rate. It's everywhere, from self-driving cars to YouTube algorithms and markets. So people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks such as data analysis, visualization, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. It is a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac, Linux, and other operating systems. Without curly brackets, semicolons, and type definitions, Python is easy to write and interpret because it's a bit less clutter than some other languages. Python is much more concise and expressive language which requires less time efforts and lines of codes to perform the operations. Python features like one-liners and dynamic systems allows developers to write very few lines of codes for tasks that require more lines in other language. As a result, Python codes are also very short. Now look at the example of creating a list of numbers and printing each element on a separate line in both the languages, Python and Java. Python does this so much more elegantly and nearly in half of the number of lines or number of characters. Even printing hello world is so much easier in Python. In Java, we must create a class, specify the main function, use system.out.print to output two single words onto the screen. In Python, we can just type and pass in hello world and that's it. This is because Python doesn't require type definitions to assign variables. It uses spaces rather than curly brackets, and it doesn't even require the notion of object-oriented programming. Short code and less time means more money for businesses and developers. This is why more companies and developers are adopting Python. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. And it has a large ecosystem of libraries and frameworks and tools. Python is open source, and it also has simple and effective libraries which makes the job easier, like NumPy, Pandas, MATLAB, SciPy, and lot more. You can easily write a Python script to automate the repetitive tasks and save your time. You don't have to be a software developer to use Python. You can use Python to build web, mobile, desktop applications as well as software testing, even hacking. That is, Python is a multi-purpose language. To tell you how it is multi-purpose, consider DevOps. DevOps is the integration of developers and operations team to increase productivity and collaboration in a company. This is done by automating workflows and infrastructure and by measuring their performance. DevOps teams often use Python to achieve this because it's efficient to code with Python. There are so many frameworks and libraries built on the top of the Python. Python is a popular choice for creating and hosting a website. It can analyze data really well by running simple scripts to automate boring tasks and so much more. No matter how effective a programming language is, it's useless if nobody uses it. Now C# has Microsoft, Java has Sun, and PHP is used by Facebook. Google, however, adopted Python heavily back in 2006. Python's current sponsors are Google, Amazon, YouTube, Microsoft, Spotify, Netflix, and many more companies. Now, why does this matter? Because if companies like Google want their team to work with their systems, which is of course written in Python, this indicates that this will increase or this will create more job opportunities for Python developers. And that's why Python is a very popular language.